It's me, Jay Hessler. I'm just kidding, I don't have to whistle. I don't think there's anybody out here, but hello everybody. It is I. I'm out here today in the woods, getting a little footage of some hunting here. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go. Now, hunting is one of those things that has been around for centuries upon centuries and will probably never die out. It is still a very common thing amongst many Americans today, with there being nearly 16 million Americans that still hunt year-round. Now, hunting has came such a long way since where it started. In today's day and age, there are so many new regulations and rules that people have to follow when hunting. Now, there are a lot of hunters in freedom, and I would love to get to catch up with some of them now.
Coming from the next lane.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Nathan Nardo, and I am a PA hunter.
Now, how many deers have you killed in your time of hunting?
I'd say around 6.
And how long have you been hunting for?
Probably around 5 years.
Now, what would you say you like to do better, hunting or fishing?
I would say hunting, because it's a better reward when you do get something.
Right. And where's your favorite place to hunt?
Probably 2B in Pete, Pennsylvania.
Nice. Now, back to the woods. Oh, deer. Oh, wait, nope. Just a stick.
Coming from the next lane.
Alright guys, well that concludes the video for today, so I hope you enjoyed this little hunting segment. And you know, I really encourage anybody out there that hasn't gone hunting before or hasn't gone hunting in a couple years to get out there and, you know, give her a try, because it is a lot of fun. It does take a lot of patience, but in the end, the reward can be great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you very much.